Hi, this is Kamya Johar, firstborn to my parents and an elder sister to two siblings, an engineer turned digital marketer and an influencer. Let's start with the word meaning series. I hope you have listened to all the three parts. Let's come to part number 4. First word is yawner. The meaning of yawner is a type of category, especially of art or writing. The novel is one yawner, poetry is another. Yawner can be used in a sentence as Alan displayed a great talent for a particular yawner, the body limerick. Second word is genteel. The meaning of the word genteel is refined, polite, aristocratic, affecting refinement. Genteel can be used in a sentence as the ladies at the ball were too genteel to accept our invitation to the wrestling match. Genteel can also be used as Jake had been born in a slum but now in his mansion his life was genteel. Third word is glut. The meaning of the word glut is surplus or an overabundance. Glut can be used in a sentence as the international oil shortage turned into an international oil glut with surprising speed. Glut can also be used as we had the glut of contributions but a dearth or scarcity of volunteers. It seemed that people would rather give their money than their time. Fourth word is grandiose. The meaning of the word grandiose is absurdly exaggerated. The scientist's grandiose plan was to build a huge shopping center on the surface of the moon. Or grandiose can be used as their house was genuinely impressive, although there were a few grandiose touches, a fireplace the size of garage, a kitchen of 4 ovens, and a computerized media center in every room. Fifth word is gregarious. The meaning of the word gregarious is sociable or enjoying the company of others. You can use gregarious in a sentence as Dirk was too gregarious to enjoy the 50 years he spent in solitary confinement. Or you can use gregarious as Anna wasn't very gregarious. She went to the party but she spent most of her time hiding in the closet. I hope you are learning with me every alternate day. Stay tuned to my channel. Till then, stay happy, stay peaceful, stay grateful. Tada!